Let's take a look at how you can make money on Blockperks, an NFT-powered social app. Blockperks is a Web3 social app. It's a new kind of social platform. Here, users can post photos, videos, content that they can convert into an NFT and sell to their fans. When they do this and they sell their NFTs, they get paid in crypto. It's a great way for small businesses and creators to make money online by selling their content as NFTs to their fans. Now, Blockperks has also launched on the Near blockchain. So let me show you how easy it is to connect your Near wallet to Blockperks, create an NFT, and create your own collection and your own premium content and sell it to your fans on their NFT marketplace. So you can create a wallet on wallet.near.org, and then you can deposit some Near tokens that you need in this wallet. Now, going from here, let me show you how easy it is to connect your Near wallet to the Blockperks website. So when you go on the Blockperks website, which is blockperks.app, you click on this. Blockperks is live on Near, so click Start Now. Once you select Start Now, it takes you to the Blockperks website that is live on the Near protocol. It's super simple to connect your wallet. Simply click on Connect. Here you can see my wallet address that comes from my Near wallet comes up straight away, and then I click Next. Scroll down, and then as you can see, the network fee allowance is 0.25 Near. This is why you need Near tokens in your Near wallet. Then you click Connect. As simple as that, we are now connected, and as you can see, it says Hi Finpact. Now, I've already made my profile, but when you are creating your profile, it's very simple. It will come up as soon as you connect your wallet, and then you add your details into your profile. You can also edit your profile later. The next step is to create your own collection. Simply click on My Collections, then go over to Create a Collection. So now I'm going to select a logo image. I'm going to select this one. So now I'm going to select a featured image, which will be used for featuring my collection on the homepage, category pages, or other promotional areas of Blockperks. So now I've selected my featured image, and then I'm going to now put my banner image, which will be featured at the top of my collection page. So now I'm going to name my collection, and I'm going to call it Finpactors, and I'm going to put the description as exclusive content for Finpactors. So now I'm going to select my category, and I have selected art. I'm then going to add my YouTube channel link. There we go. And then I'm also going to add my Instagram channel link. Once my links are added, and make sure you add the HTTPS when you add the website link, I'm going to click Create. Now that the collection is made, click on Finpact or your profile name, and then click on My Collections. As you can see, my collection is now here and made. Now click on Create NFT to create your NFT. I'm going to name my NFT Finpact Vortex. I'm going to put the description as Finpact Crypto Evolution, category as art, and then I'm going to select my collection, which we just made as Finpactors. Then I'm going to upload my NFT. Then I'm going to go down and click on Batch Minting and make 4 of these NFTs. I'm going to set the price as 1 Near token. Then I'm going to put my royalties as 10% and create NFT. Scroll up, then it connects to your Near wallet and you approve transaction. And there we go. Click on your collection, and as you can see, my 4 NFTs are there. Now that you've made your collection an NFT, you can also post premium content that can be seen by the NFT holders. So I'm going to title my premium content as Ethereum Merge, as I'm going to be adding that video in there. I'm then going to click on this little arrow box here to upload the video file. This can take a couple of minutes since the file is quite big. After a couple of minutes, that should be all uploaded, and then you click Add. Then I'm going to put a description of the video, which is the Ethereum Merge fundamentals and how it will impact the crypto industry. Then I'm going to add my featured image. This should be 600 by 400. And then I'm going to add my logo image, which should be 350 by 350. Then I'm going to select my collection Finpactors. And the number of NFTs required to view this premium content is 1. Then I press Create. And there we have it. My premium content is uploaded. So guys, that is how the Blockperks website works. This is how you can make money by selling your content as NFTs, and you can make premium content and collections. Thank you guys for watching.